Hi, and welcome back to another video of Creative Digital Designs. This video is going to be about creating classroom signs or creating a classroom sign template for teachers to use in their classroom. You can sell this on Etsy, or if you are a teacher and you want to be able to design classroom signs in Canva, then this video is for you. So this particular video, I'm going to be creating or recreating what I've already created, which is this classroom affirmations sheet. I chose to be specific and pick a niche. I chose kindergarten. So if you're a kindergarten teacher, this video will be perfect for you. And I chose to do classroom affirmations. I think that it's fun and I love affirmations myself. And I think that it's great for students to be able to, as they're learning to read, to be able to say positive things to themselves and see this in the classroom. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the design that I came up with. I did get these affirmations from I just asked ChatGPT to give me some simple affirmations for kindergarten students. But if you have your own, you can edit this or put your own in here. I believe these are good. And so we're just going to get started on this design here. I did make this 11 by 17 inches for my sizing. And they said this was the right sizing for a school board. So when you're doing it on your home screen, you can make sure to put that custom sizing on Canva, 11 by 17 inches. So the first thing that I did here was we're going to get the top up here. And of course, if this is a template, you can go ahead and change the name up here, whatever your name is as a teacher. And so I went ahead and added the text over here. And I just typed in school for when I went over to the fonts text, and then I typed school on top, and then I clicked see all. And I went with this one right here, primary penmanship lined. And then you're going to just go ahead and type out the teacher's name, Miss Henry's classroom affirmations. And then we're going to go ahead and make this capital. And I separated this by 2 lines. And we're going to go up here to spacing, and I line spacing, and I put them a little bit closer together. And then we're going to make it bigger. And of course, as you go, you can resize to fit your design. So we're just going to make sure that's centered. Here I put 80, so it is a little bit bigger. Let me just do that for now. You want to make sure if we're printing, we don't get too close to the edge so nothing gets cut off. And then the next thing is the affirmation. So again, under the fonts, I chose school bell. And all I did was when I selected school bell, make this a little bit bigger. And I just pasted the affirmations that I had into the school bell box. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy these. I already had them somewhere else. And we're going to delete that. And so right now it's way too big. This font that I used was 43. So we're going to make it down to 43. And we're going to go ahead and put that there. And to make it fun, since it's kindergarten, there's a lot of colors, I just went ahead and highlighted each section and put a different color. And so over here, just highlighted the text, and we went over up top to text color. And I just selected a bunch of colors. What I did was I hit the plus sign and I went through this whole rainbow and I just started selecting colors. So you can do this however you want. Or right now, I'm not going to have it exactly the same. I'm just going to go ahead and select different, highlight it and put a different color for each one, just so it's fun and colorful. So we have this. Right now, it's, like I said, it's not going to be exactly what I created, so I'm just going to try to show here whatever colors you want to use. There we go. So it's not exact, but as you can see, that's what I did here for this. If I wanted to, I could have just selected it and copied and pasted it. But for the purpose of this video, I would just show you how I did that. So for now that I showed you how I did it, I can go ahead and just paste that there. And yeah, so we put that there. And then the next thing is I just added in these little cute little elements here. And then, so we're going to go over to elements, and I typed in, kindergarten. Then we're going to go to graphics and we're going to hit see all. And I went through and I found these drawing like elements. So because I'm seeing these butterfly, I'm going to put that first. So I added the butterfly down here. As you can see, there's a lot of different elements that you can add yourself. Whichever ones, just to save time on this, I'm going to just go to my recently used, but I did type in kindergarten, and that's how I got my elements here. Anything that you wanted to add, flowers. Okay, so I see my tree here. So we're going to go ahead and put the tree here. And so we're going to just go over to here to recently used so that I can have my elements. So I added this little sun up here on top. And then I did add that basketball. At first I was like, it might be like it's different than everything else, but I did that just for the boys, or just for that type of element. Of course, girls can like basketball as well, and but like you could put any elements you want here. So I just put these four here, and then I found these color pencils that I liked, and all I did was rotate them this way, and I put them on the sides here. Make sure that it's rotated all the way. '90. And then all I did was duplicate it, bring it over, and then we're just going to click flip, and we're going to flip it this way, and then boom, we have this right here, and this is how you can go ahead and create this affirmation uh, board that you can go ahead and print out and get put on your board. You can sell this template on Etsy for teachers. If you're a teacher yourself, you can use this and print this out and put this on in your classroom. And I think this is a fun design. I also designed it with paper in the background. I just searched paper. Only thing I know that the words didn't line up with the lines. And I know as a teacher, you're going to be teaching your students to write on the lines. So I didn't think that teachers would really like that they didn't line up. So I just went with this clean background since we already have a lot of elements and colors going on. If you like this video, I appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. Comment below another video that you want me to create. Please subscribe. I will be posting videos every single week, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And I appreciate you watching to the end. Have a great day.